everything, no? So you are this, no, Aquarius, you're like a magician, no? Kung ano man yung mga gusto mo ay nakukuha mo, no, something like that, no, because you are this, no, hard worker. So you are really working hard, no, something like that, no, para to reach your goal, no, kasi hindi ka talaga tumitigil, no, whatever you want is talagang gagawin mo yung lahat para makuha mo yun. So that is your no, your energy na super positive ka talaga sa lahat. You are very optimistic in anything, no? Kaya hindi nagiging imposible sa yung mga ay nagiging possible sa yung imposible, no? Something like that, no? So you have this, no, being optimistic always, no? So and then you have this, no, 'di ba? God is with you in this battle, right? No? So kung ano man 'tong mga sinisimulan mo, mga pagsubok mo, 'di ba? Hindi ka sumusuko, and because God is with you, no? Always, no, mga Aquarius natin. So 'di ba napakaganda kayo lang in main, 'di ba? God is always with you, no? Mga Aquarius. Kaya wag kayong mawawalan ng pag-asa. Laban lang hanggang ma-reach nyo yung gusto nyo, yung pangarap nyo sa buhay, no? Continue nyo lang kung anong ginagawa nyo, no? And beware sa mga tao sa paligid nyo na binabackstab lang kayo, hindi maganda ang agenda sa inyo, right? No, mga Aquarius natin. So, yeah, that's it, no? So, talagang mag-ingat-ingat kayo, no? So, tignan naman natin what are the possible lucky numbers for you within this week, no, mga Aquarius natin. Kuha tayo ng 3 cards for you, Aquarius. So, yeah, 1, 2, and 3, no? So, tingnan natin yan. So, you have this 46, 72, and number 8, no? So, once you see this, no, itong mga numbers na to, no, repeatedly, no, Aquarius, no, within this week, no, you will receive some good news, no, positive news, no, something like that, no. So, again, no, repeatedly, no, pag nakita mo tong mga numbers na to within this week, no. So, 46, 72, and 8, no, mga Aquarius natin, no, you will receive good positive news, no, something like that. So, what's the message naman, no, for you, no, from universe, no, message or advice for you, Aquarius, no, from the universe, no, message or advice for you, no, from the universe. So, kuha tayo ng 1 card here, mga Aquarius natin. So,